Are bad relationships damage my brain? Yes. Research suggests that bad relationships can have negative effects on the brain, including potential changes in brain structure and function. One study published in the Journal of Neuroscience found that individuals who reported more negative interactions with their partner had a greater decrease in gray matter density in the anterior cingulate cortex, a region of the brain involved in emotional regulation and empathy. This suggests that negative relationships may be associated with structural changes in the brain. Another study published in the Journal of Family Psychology found that individuals in unhappy marriages had higher levels of the stress hormone cortisol, which has been associated with hippocampal atrophy, or the shrinking of the hippocampus. The hippocampus is a region of the brain responsible for memory and learning, and atrophy in this region has been linked to cognitive impairment and increased risk of dementia. Research has also found that negative relationship interactions can affect brain function. A study published in Social Cognitive and Affective Neuroscience found that individuals who reported more negative interactions with their partner had decreased activity in the ventromedial prefrontal cortex, a region of the brain associated with empathy and social cognition. This suggests that negative relationships may be associated with decreased empathy and social functioning. It's important to note that the effects of bad relationships on the brain can vary depending on the individual and the relationship. Not all individuals who experience negative relationships will experience changes in brain structure or function. However, it's important to recognize the potential impact of negative relationships on mental and physical health and take steps to address any issues in the relationship or seek support from a mental health professional. In summary, research suggests that bad relationships can have negative effects on the brain, including potential changes in brain structure and function. Negative relationship interactions may be associated with decreased gray matter density in the anterior cingulate cortex, increased levels of the stress hormone cortisol, and decreased activity in the ventromedial prefrontal cortex. It's important to recognize the potential impact of negative relationships on mental and physical health and seek support when needed. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe.